Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning back into the channel today here with the Rustbelt Mechanic. Today we've got something a little bit more on the fun side. Decided to bring in a couple of buddies here. Ones that you may know have seen before. We've got the Captain and McBakes here to go through the mechanic stereotypes of 2020. See what you guys think of this.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
Safety glasses. Check. Face mask. Check. Earplugs. Check. Tape measure. Check.
Yo, Kyle.
Hey, what's up, dude?
How's it going, man?
Hell yeah.
Hey,
What?
Well, 6 feet distance.
What?
6 feet. Right there. 5. No, wait. Okay, you're good. Why?
Social distancing. 6 feet.
Get out of here.
Jesus, that guy.
Sir, your
Dude, now what?
pant legs are not long enough.
Are you serious?
You're gonna hurt yourself. Wait, what? Wait. Hair's too long. You need to have a cut.
Okay.
Goddamn hippie.
Okay.
Alright. Snap-on socks, check. Snap-on gear. Bra, I'm ready. Snap on this. Got the Zeus ready. Snap-on tire inflator. Got the new snap-on ratchet. Snap-on for life.
Hey man, can I borrow a Craftsman wrench?
Are you serious, bro? Dude, bro, get out.
I just need a wrench.
Get out of here. Alright, got some wiring here. Hey, Baker.
Yo.
Can I borrow some crimps, man?
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Dude, what are these? Matco? Oh, no, no,
What?
no.
You just
We do
threw
not
my
do
cramps.
that. No. Alright, so I know we have a cylinder 2 misfire, and I know I pulled the plug and the plug's cracked, but we really want to verify everything else is, A-okay in the motor. So I've got the Snap-on Zeus here hooked up to a pressure transducer, and we're going to crank the motor some to verify that our compression to the motor is okay. And then we're also going to need to check our coil output. We need to make sure we're sitting between 4,000 and 5,000 kilojoules of output from that one. We want to check our grounds, obviously, and then make sure the compression to the other cylinders aren't offsetting the balance of that side of the motor. We just want to verify that everything's okay and correct before we go doing something that's, drastically, overpriced, like replacing more than one spark plug.
New spark plugs, new ignition coil. Yeah, that's a done deal. Oh.
Hey man, you just got finished repairing this, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Wasn't it misfiring on cylinder 2 the other day?
No, man. Not that I know of.
No?
Nah.
Just send it.
Just send it.
Okay.
Hey, Baker, I got something for you to do. Captain, you seen Baker?
Baker? No?
Baker! Dude, where'd he go? I know I just saw that little kid here, it looks like 2 minutes ago.
He was working on that truck.
Baker! 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 I don't know. I'll page him again.
Hey, guys. Alex needs his RTV. I'll be right back.
Baker? Have you seen Baker? Okay, so 13 inch-pounds. Wait, what was that bolt again? Oh, that one. Okay, got it. So this.
Ron,
Huh?
this pays 2 hours.
Yeah.
And you've been working on it for 5.
Yeah. No, man. No. It says I gotta do this, so I gotta do this.
All
See,
right.
look, right here. 13 inch-pounds. Okay, go right here.
Good for you, Ron.
Ron, you got that thing diagnosed yet?
Man, I am working on it. This thing's being a pain. I have tried like so many things.
I mean, I was just wondering. You've only been on it like 10 minutes, so it's all good.
Yeah, no,
Just let me know.
No, give me a few minutes. I'll have a diagnosis.
Okay.
Well, guess I need to get this thing diagnosed. Got it. Oh, it's the ABS pump. Better go tell Kyle.
Just can't get this. All right. Yeah, it's me again. I need some help, man. Can you be here? Thanks. I cannot get
Hey,
this.
what's up, bud?
Hey, man, I cannot get this fastener. I do not have anything that can get this for me.
Shit, get out of the way. I got my bucket of tools. Come on, bro.
All right.
God. That stupid tool.
Get on there. Come on.
Ron, you all right, man?
What? No. Freaking tools don't work.
Baker, you gonna do something today?
Oh yeah, man. I was just gonna flush these brakes real quick. Oh, I'm just doing some research.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to show you how to flush your brake fluid. I'm putting
Okay.
brand new calipers on my truck because the old ones are going bad, they're leaking, and I don't want to flush the old brake fluid into the brand new calipers. So I'm going to flush the whole
Yeah, I'm
system
gonna do it in a
with
second.
brake fluid before I change out the brake
I'm
calipers.
just
The other
looking
thing
up
is this fluid hasn't
specs.
been flushed for probably since the truck was brand new.
God, there's no angle to get to this stupid thing.
What you trying to do?
I can't get my freaking hands or this extension up in to get this bolt. You got small hands, right?
Yeah, let me see if I can do it. There you go, man.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious?
90 foot-pounds, 90 foot-pounds. We gotta torque these wheels to 90 foot-pounds, 90 foot-pounds, 90 foot-pounds. Oh, what was it again? 90 foot-pounds. We're
Shut up,
gonna torque-
McBakes!
Hey, I gotta remember what to torque these to. What was it? I'll look it up again.
Alright, so they said they needed a turbo service, an EGR clean, they needed a coolant service. Man, this stuff's cake. I could have that done in like 25 minutes, maybe 28 minutes. Like, no problem. Now, where's that EGR valve at? You know, they said they want an EGR service. EGR valve.
Kyle, we're getting ready to close up.
Hey, dude, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I got this. Promise, 5 minutes. I can do this. No worries, bud, no worries. I'm almost done.
Hurry. What's up, man?
You alright, bro?
Yeah, I got this.
Dude, come on. You sure you're alright?
Okay. Fair enough. Thank you.
No problem, man.
Now I gotta center it.
Dude, I got you.
Do you still need the alignment rack? I'm all done. It's all yours.
All right, fine, I'll move it, whatever.
Thanks.
What the? I got this. I got this. Crap. Baker, where's the keys? Where's the keys at?
Oh, they're on your box.
Dang it, Baker! I need to get this done.
Dude, Kyle, you will not believe what I did last weekend.
What, Baker?
So, last weekend, I mean, are you going to listen?
I'm
Weekend,
working.
me and my wife, we went out to Great Wolf Lodge. You know, the big indoor water park. You know what I mean? Have you ever been there?
Sure, I know the one.
Okay, so you know the big water slide in the back of the park? You know what I'm talking about? It's the big purple one, right? Okay, anyway, we went there with our daughter, and my daughter laughed.
Hold on. Ron, did you need a hand with something?
Wait, this is the best part.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Dude, you're gonna walk out on my daughter's laughter? Come on, man! Ron! Hey, Ron, check this story out.
Finally, some peace and quiet. Let's get this done.
Kyle! Back from lunch?
Or, what?
Okay, back from lunch. So like the story I was telling you earlier. So me and my daughter, we were going up on this water slide and she laughed. And it was the funniest laugh that I ever heard. Super loud, and she was like, Dad, I want to go on this water slide and I want to go on this water slide. And I was like, yeah, absolutely. We can go on all these water slides. It's so much fun. We spent all day out there in the water and just swimming. And she had such a good time, and I loved her, and I cannot wait to go back. Kyle? Kyle!
Alright guys, that's about all we've got for you today in the way of funny mechanic stereotypes of 2020. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content from Captain Ron and Mr. McBake here. We've always liked to do some fun stuff here in the shop, and hopefully you've enjoyed it also. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go and check out their channels. They are YouTubers here as well. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you get notified when we come out with cool, awesome content, just like this one here today. Thanks, and as always,
you guys stay awesome.
high five.
Woo! We're supposed to...
Oh. What a
90 foot-pounds. We gotta torque these wheels tough. 90 foot-pounds. 90 foot-pounds. 90 foot-pounds. Oh, what was it again? 90 foot-pounds.